Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun. That's right, babies. Gatling gun. Take the flag out. And I got a little hole over here. It's not as easy to put on as I thought. There we go. There we go. Gatling gun, baby. I actually already did this, but my stupid lavalier wouldn't work. So I went through all that for nothing. Anyway, guys, here it is. This is my Gatling gun, and I literally spent 2 days on it. Probably 6 hours worth. Pipes over here. You know what? I'm going to put you on a tripod. So the Gatling gun turret itself is made up of aluminum piping that I took off a crutch. You know, if you hurt your leg and you have an aluminum crutch, right? I cut it into pieces. Put it together. Inside there's a plastic like bottle or whatever. Cut a hole through the cap. Stuck the big pipe through there. The remaining 6 smaller pipes go around the sides. This is just a plastic, a sheet metal piece that I wrapped around. This is a radiator hose or something like that. I use it as a grenade launcher, right? This is a handle from some machine that I had. I don't remember. And I just hose clamped it on there. This ammunition box with the movable lid that, you know, opens and closes, right? This is from like a gutter conduit or something. I don't remember. I don't know why I even have it, you know? So that's that. And this part here, which is supposed to portray the rounds of ammunition strapped together into the ammunition box being fed into the Gatling gun, you know what I mean? I've got like this cable coming down, so it looks like power going to the motor, you know. On the other side here, this is a air conditioning AC Freon bottle, R234A, and it was just empty, you know. So I figured it looked like a pretty good starter motor. You know, the Gatling guns have a motor on the side to power the turret, right? So, and I put this gear thing here. This is off of a Murray front self-propelled gear, right? This part here is just a product to cover up the hole, you know? This is a toolbox, a plastic toolbox that I cut into, right? And this is like the side air isolating tin near the flywheel on a push mower. This knob over here is, again, to just cover up crap, you know. Then I spray painted everything black. This knob actually is from a washing machine. I actually have a connector here where you can connect to make it look even more official. You know, like it's connecting onto something.
And it is connected to something.
Shh. All right, the cat's out of the bag. You guys know. I'm not just gonna have it like that. It actually connects onto something. Not only does it look like a Gatling gun, you turn the switch to run, and the lights go on, right? Oh! Wild, huh? I had an old Ryobi power drill, right? Still a little tacky from the paint. I had a Ryobi 6-volt, really old, like 20 years old. Ryobi 6-volt drill, you know, screwdriver, whatever. And, I mean, the battery, it wasn't even the kind where you can take the battery out. It was, the battery was inside the handle, you know, of the gun. So, I don't know why I had it. I guess I thought I could use it someday. So, fast forward 18 years, I'm using it today. I take it apart, I take the batteries out, and I connect the red, black, and white wires to positive and negative, right? The white one allows it to go the other direction. So it goes both directions, like a drill. I don't know how the real one does, but yeah, it vibrates a little because it's not really supported with like another bearing on this side, you know what I mean? I mean, if I had another week or so, I probably would have made it really nice with ball bearings in it, you know, with, you know, I really could have, I mean, if I really wanted to do it, I could really make a cool Gatling gun setup, you know what I mean? But, you know, I just wanted to have this, you know? And it, of course, this is my first Gatling gun DIY, right? They actually have a few videos on YouTube about the Gatling gun DIY. It's just so cool, you know? Love the Gatling gun. Anyway, so the wire is positive and negative. It's attached straight to the headlight switch. So if I wanted this to move, you know, spin, just to blow people's minds, right, I would switch it to the lights and it would work. But other than that, man, it's just a prop, you know? I might drive this around the block later and scare the shit out of people. So my friend Andy from Jericho, he came over yesterday and he took a ride on this thing. He loved it. And he said, I definitely need a star. And so he's going to come over with a stencil. He used to be a graphic designer, so he can create a stencil out of vinyl for me. And we'll put the star here and maybe a flag on each side, you know. But how about it, huh? A lot of fun putting this project together. It was probably the most interesting project that I've done since I started the channel. And your names are on here for those that contributed to the paint job. Thank you very much. You're memorialized on the hood of this thing forever, or at least until I sell it. Should I sell it? No, I'm not going to sell it. Well, somebody gives me $1,000, I'll sell it, you know. Anyway, I just put some ATF in the front wheels because they had a little faster leak than the back wheels. So I'm going to go for a ride and rotate that ATF around the tires. So I didn't take any video of when I actually put the turret together, but I did take some time-lapse video of the rest of it, and here it is. Yeah, riding around with my desert sand Hummer. hope you guys enjoyed this multi-part series of my Desert Sand Humvee Franken-Tractor 2 project. I want to thank Nick from Medford, who gave me the rolling chassis, the 2 Kohler parts, and Larry and Bobby for giving me the 3rd Kohler parts to make the engine. Thank you to all the subscribers who donated money for the paint job, and thank everybody for voting, including the silent watchers, for coming down, narrowing it down to the final paint job that we got. This project has been very fun, very interesting. I haven't seen anybody do it before, and you definitely haven't seen anybody make a Gatling gun from scratch just for the look of it, you know? Short of my friend Andy from Jericho coming over and putting the star here and the flag stencil, we're pretty much done with this. I might take a day off. I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.